Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Little Genius Chavi. So today I am going to show you how you can create a pattern drawing. So let's start. First you need to open a scratch window and rename your project. Fine, I have renamed my project. Now go in Events block and take one flatlet. Add an pen extension. Go over here and add extension, add pen. I have already added it. So now what you need to do is go in control block and first go in pen block and take erase all and then pen down. Then go in motion block and go in control block first and take repeat twice. Repeat and repeat. Fine. Now inside repeat 6 and outside 12. So friends, now you need to go in motion block and move 10 steps, and instead of 10 steps you need to use 80 steps. Proper. Now you need to make it 85. Okay, 85. Yeah, proper. Now you need to take anti-clockwise 60 degrees. Okay, and then you need to go in control block and wait 1 second. And then you need to go in motion block again and take anti-clockwise 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Yeah, proper. Now let's test it. It is making a hexagon, so you can also call it hexagon pattern drawing. Hexagon pattern drawing. Proper. You can see it. It's making such a nice design. It is still incomplete. Let it complete one pattern. And then it will stop immediately. Because we have coded like that. Yes, it is finished. Now let's see it. Wow, such a nice design. Okay, so this is the hexagon pattern drawing. So guys, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, Little Genius Chavi. Bye-bye.